What did you want? Eggplant juice and pickled broccoli. Here, come on down. I love you. Thank you. Oops. Wait, can't I buy mystery boxes from them? Or am I tripping? Just made some good old popcorn to make it sure it smells nice when I clean. Sure hope nobody freaks out. Phew. You know, we gotta kill 50 bats, actually. How much oh, fuck. We need a bunch of broccoli seeds. Just Krobus and Abigail. Don't give one to Elliot. His birthday is tomorrow. Right, and I really need a star drop tea. But I need what? Oh, fuck. I need to, oh, a bream? Sure, buddy. Where can I go get a bream at? River. Wait, what time of day? 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. All right. We'll come back later.